Hi, friends. It's that time of the month, which is called salary weeks. The moment your hard earned money hits your account, it's tempting to spend it immediately on everything like bills, food, phone, and maybe a little shopping spree. But here is the question: what if the salary could do more for you than just cover your expenses? What if it could build your future, your freedom, and your peace of mind? Today, we're going to talk about how to use your salary wisely to grow your savings, step up your financial gain, and even invest for long term wealth. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do the moment your salary hits your account. First, let's talk mindset. Most people think I will save what is left at the end of the month. The problem? Yes, at the end of the month, there is barely nothing left. So, friend, remember this: salary week is not just about spending, it's about building your future. Treat your savings like a non negotiable deal. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your financial life transform automatically. Your future self will thank you. So, start today, right now, and make the salary week the beginning of your financial freedom. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and share with a friend who needs this advice. Let's grow our money habits together. Remember to subscribe. The secret of financial successful people is they pay themselves first. That means the moment you get paid, a portion goes straight into savings before bills, before shopping, or before anything else. Even if it's just 10% of your salary. Focus now creates a habit, and habits are what leads to financial freedom. Think about it. If you start saving 100 of your money every month, that's 1,200 a year. Just start and be consistent. The compound interest can turn that small amount into something life changing in just a few years. Now, you might be asking, Shoma, how much should I really save? Here is a simple formula: the 50-30-20 rules. 50% of your salary can be for essentials like bills, food, and rent, while 30% can go for lifestyles, fun and shopping, even entertainment. 20% goes for investment. If 20% feels too high at first, start with 10% and increase it slowly. The important thing is consistency, not the amount. If you earn 1,000 of your denomination, save 100 immediately. Do not touch it. Watch it grow. Small amounts will always add up faster than you think. Okay, so if you have decided to save, you ask yourself, but where should your savings go? One can be emergency fund. Your first priority, this is money you can access anytime for unexpected expenses like medical bills, urgent home fixes, and so on and so forth, for at least 3 to 6 months of expenses. Two is high interest savings account. Don't let your money sit in a regular account with zero growth. Look for accounts that gives you interest or even small returns monthly. Three, investment account. Once your emergency fund is ready, start thinking about investments like stock, ETFs, mutual fund, retirement account. Remember, the goal is making your money work for you, not just sitting in your bank account. Now that you know where to put your money, let's talk about practical ways to save more during salary week. Number one practical way is automating your savings. Set up an automatic transfer the day your salary comes in. You won't even notice it's gone, but it's growing for you. Two, track your spendings. Use different apps or a simple notebook to track where your money goes. Seeing it on paper will stop you from overspending. Number three, you have to avoid impulse spending. That online shopping sales, that dinner out, so many things that makes you to buy. Make sure you pause 24 hours to ask yourself if you really need it. Four, top up your savings. If you have leftover cash after bills, put it back into that savings immediately. Treat it like a salary bonus. for your future. Saving money can feel boring at first, but let's make it exciting. Just think about this, your savings account growing every month. That is financial freedom. When you can take that dream trips without even worrying about anything. It helps you to be free and having a safety for every emergency. Now, here is the trick. Name your savings account. You can call it whatever name you want to. You can call it financial freedom. Remember, every time you see the balance grow, you will feel proud and motivated to do more. Here is your step-by-step salary week action plan that I'll give to you. 1. Check your account when your salary hits. Immediately transfer 10 to 20% to your savings. 3. Pay for your essential bills like your rent, utilities, and so on. 4. Track and plan discretionary spending. 5. If they are left over, add it to your savings again. Do this every month, and in 12 months, you will have a strong foundation to grow wealth, invest, and live stress-free life. So, friend, remember this. Salary week is not just about spending. It's about building your future. Treat your savings like a non-negotiable deal. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your financial life transform automatically. Your future self will thank you. So start today, right now, and make the salary week the beginning of your financial freedom. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and share with a friend who needs this advice. Let's grow our money habits together. Remember to subscribe. See you in my next video. And until then, top up your savings and watch your wealth grow. Thanks.
Chioma mi odia, bold and true, sharing the light in all we do. Stories that lift, voices that shine. Hit subscribe, it's your time to rise. Chioma media, bold and true, sharing the light in all we do. Stories that lift, voices that shine. Hit subscribe, it's your